This one was 5 years ago. That one's kind of, oh my God. What's up, guys? Welcome back to this So today, I am going to be trying out the first slime tutorial. So yeah, I was on James Charles' channel, just watching his videos, and I saw he did a video on following the first makeup tutorial ever. I thought it was really cool, and then after I thought, wait a minute. Hair almost fell off anyways. Anyways, guys, I was like, has anybody done a following the first slime tutorial ever? And I was like, whoa. And I actually thought of this like 2 weeks ago. I'm barely doing it now, but anyways, I thought it was a really good idea, so I really wanted to try it, so we're gonna try it. So yeah. And today's like my chance to me. You guys in the comment down below, when did you find out about slime? I found out about slime in 2015. Like the first slime was like the Galaxy slime. I actually saw it from Man vs. Pin, and I actually did a video on it. I don't know where the heck that video went, but that's when I found out about slime. That might have been 2016 actually, like the beginning of 2016, I feel like. So that's it. Let's get straight on into the video. What yo? So the first thing we gotta do, guys, is find the first video ever. So I think there's like a filter on YouTube when you search something and the oldest video for the search. I think slime was made like 2015, 2014, and even before that, but that was like when it was really not popular. So I'm gonna put slime tutorial. So then you're gonna press this button up here and do it by upload date. The upload date I want. I'm confused.
6 months later.
Okay guys, so after a while of looking for the slime videos, apparently there's no filter for the years, but I had an idea to do, cause like YouTube kind of works on like tags and in the videos, and even if it's like not even written down or this, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, I decided, what if I put in the dates of like 2015? So I put 2015, and I found one that was 3 years ago, and I was like, what? But then I was like, you know what? It's probably, you could probably find one farther back. I kept doing it. I did like, I think it was 2014 I tried, and I found one from 2010. That's what I tried to say, but then I messed up. But anyways, 8 years ago, guys. It's probably not the oldest slime video, but it's the one that I found. So I'm gonna try 3 of them, but they're gonna be like all kind of old, so we're gonna try them. So yeah. So guys, I'm gonna try and do 3 of them. So I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 videos, and yeah, they're all pretty old, older than 3 years ago, I think. All right, so the first one I'm gonna do, guys, is from 2014. I feel like a lot of these videos are gonna be like kind of the same though, because it's like the recipe is like pretty much the same, just like it's just all basic basically. All right, we're gonna do this one. This one was 3 years ago, and it is from Emmy Made. So first you put a bottle of Elmer's glue. So this one seems pretty like new, like the same, you know. So let me just go and get it. All right, we got a glue bottle and a bowl. All right, so a whole bottle of glue. This bottle seems like the size that they use, so I'm gonna use it. Okay, fill up the bottle with water. I'm back with my bottle filled water. I'm just gonna put that on the side because she didn't really say to do anything with it. Then you put your food colorings. I am going to make, I'm gonna try and make a light color blue. Ah! That's not gonna be light. Give it a good shake. This is pretty much the same. All right, so mix that all together. Put that to the side and get another bowl. All right, guys, I'm back. Now we're gonna go ahead and make the borax mixture, I think. So let me just go ahead and pull that out. 1/2 a cup of water, and then a sixth cup of hot water. Whatever, let me just go get a 1/2 cup of water and a 1/6 cup. Alrighty, I have my 1/6 cup of hot water. Here we go. And then we gotta get a 1/2 cup of water, regular water. I don't really know if that's gonna do anything, but next step. 2 teaspoons of borax. That's not even a cup of water. She's adding 2 teaspoons of borax, whatever. Let me get some borax. Okay, we got some borax, 1 teaspoon and 2 teaspoons. Now let's mix that all together. This water doesn't seem hot enough, first of all. No, I think there's just too much activator in here, borax. She said 1/6 and 1/2 a cup of water. Well, it looks like she had like a lot more. All right, well, my solution isn't really melting very well, but I think it's melted enough. All right, now you're supposed to apparently, this is the fun part, pour the glue inside the activator. Okay. To me, my my glue mixture seems a little bit more watery than hers, but whatever. I guess now you just gotta mix this and then take it out. Oh, not too bad. Not too bad. Maybe I wasn't supposed to leave it in there for so long. So I don't know what happened, guys, but like that did not go well. Hers turned out so good. Did she like put that in there for like a second? Like I only left it in there for like 5 seconds and it was already done. All right, well that's my slime. Okay, we'll just put that in a bowl and we'll get on to the next one. Alrighty, next tutorial. The next tutorial is gonna be from 5 years ago. This one is from Evan Tood Raw. So yeah. So first thing you gotta do is get a teaspoon of borax and then put a cup of water. So 1 second. So a cup of water. I don't know if that was a cup. 1 second actually. Okay, let's measure this. 1 cup. There we go. And then a teaspoon of borax. And let's mix. This seems like more water than like the last one. Next, while I just mix this. All right guys, I found a clear glue bottle. Now we're gonna go ahead and empty that. Here we go. All right, so while that empties out, we're gonna watch the next part. Oh, and then they added like a half a cup of water, I forgot. They don't seem very interested in the slime. Okay, a half a cup of water. So a half a cup of water. Some very exact measurements. Anyways, there we go, there's a half of water. Now I'm gonna mix it a little. Guys, for some reason my freaking glue and water is fogging up. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like fogging up. Now I need to add some color. I'm gonna make mine pink, because I like pink clear slime a lot. Ooh, this turned really pretty. It's like a flamingo. All right, next thing. Okay, mix the two solutions. All of it? Okay, well now they seem a little bit more interested in the slime. So now he added the whole bowl of activator, and that is gonna really pain me, but I'm gonna do it because they said so. Is this just gonna be a video of overactivated slimes, guys? You like this slime, don't you? Mm-hmm. Alright, this doesn't seem to be going too well, but you know, maybe it will. Not too bad. Kind of seems like it's maybe starting to work. I just need to knead it. Is this supposed to happen? Well, maybe you should have told me that before! You said there's gonna be extra water in there, you gotta pour it out. Alright, well I think I made it right, according to them. I mean, it's not that bad. It's like a store-bought pudding. I feel like this could have some real good potential if you leave it in a container for about a year in the sun. No, but I'm serious. I feel like it could actually work if you just put it in a container and you leave it like kind of for like a week maybe by the sun. But yeah, here it is. Let's go ahead and do some ASMR right after I clean this all up. So here it is. Yeah, I didn't think that this one would be worse than the other one, but it is.
I like this one.
Yeah, it's not that bad because ow! You don't even have nails. How did you even poke me? This one's not that bad because you can actually kind of poke it, but like this one is just like, it breaks when it's like an iceberg slime that like regenerates. But it's nice to kind of just hold in your hand like this and just kind of like squish it like that, you know? So this is how slime was 3 years ago. Oh wait, no, this one is 5 years ago actually. All right, let's get on to the next one and see what we have in the thing better there. All right, guys, this is gonna be the third slime tutorial. This one is gonna be the oldest one that I found, the 8-year-old one. I'll try and find some more that are like older, because the first slime video I remember watching, that was a while ago, and they had like a bucket and they were making this hot pink slime with like, and it was thick, I think, so I gotta try and find that video. But anyway, this one was 8 years ago. This one is from Kelly Williams. Only thing I need is a little bit more water and then I think a bottle of glue all. They said glue, but they're using glue all, so I want to try and find a bottle of glue all. So yeah. Okay, so I couldn't find a bottle of glue all because I don't buy bottles, usually small bottles. I buy like gallons. So I decided to get this clear glue bottle and put a glue all in it. I know, so smart, right? All right, let's keep going. Now to create the slime. So 1 teaspoon of borax. Got it. Wow. Okay. Alright, so they put their glue and they decided to pour it through the nozzle, which I don't think it's a very good idea, but. So, my phone turned off, so I got another phone. I think you're supposed to just mix the glue with the water, so I'm gonna do that. Alright, now you're gonna add your desired food coloring. My desired food coloring is yellow. Alright, we're gonna pour that into there and do whatever the heck she's doing. Alright. You don't want it to become stiffer. What the heck? Can make funny noises with it. So I'll just try and do that. well, this one I honestly liked the most. The slime turned out the best on this one. It's still pretty over activated, but it's better than the other ones. It's like less watered down and just better. So let's go ahead and do some ASMR. All right, here it is. This is the slime from 8 years ago, guys. Pretty cool. Like, it's honestly, it's kind of cool how like slime is that old. Like, it's not even that new. I guess just someone along the line decided to add the borax little by little and then found out how to make it stretchy. Out of all three, here's this one. This was the first one. This one was 3 years ago. This one was 5 years ago. That one's kind of, oh my god. I was gonna say it's kind of satisfying just because it's like kind of like really clear, but let's just leave that. Oh yeah, this one was 8 years ago. Honestly, it's the best. You know, all these slime recipes could work out a lot better if they would just add like a ½ teaspoon of borax to the mixture. Today's video. This was actually really fun. Seeing like how far the slime has come and how it's like not even that much different, you know? I don't know. You guys got down below what you think. If you guys want me to try out a old tutorial that you found, just make sure to put their channel name in the comments and I'll try and find it. So yeah, that is it. I love you so much and I really hope I see you next time. Bye.